Hey boys and girls, my name is Jacqueline Hall and I am a third grade teacher for St. Tammany Parish Public School. In today's lesson, I am going to take you on a nature walk and we are going to collect data according to the animals that we see. So I'm going to take a notebook and a marker with me. I'm going to just jot down any animals that I see and put tally marks next to the animal. So if I see 2 birds, I'll have 2 tally marks. If I see 8 dogs, then I'll have 8 tally marks. Then when we get back, we're going to convert our data into a bar graph. And then we are going to compare animals. So let's go. So here is the data that I collected. I saw 3 birds, 1 squirrel, 5 fish, 2 dogs, and 1 lizard. So I just made this graph here, and I started with 1 going up, and I listed all the animals that I saw. So I saw 3 birds. So I'm going to grab my marker, and I'm going to line it up to the 3. So it should look like this. Then I only saw 1 squirrel, so I'm going to look at the 1 and I'm just going to line it up here. Fish, I saw 5, so I see the 5 and I'm just going to line it up way over here. And I'm just making my own bar graph with the data that I collected. Then I saw 2 dogs, so I see the number 2, and I'm just going to line it up here. And I only saw 1 lizard. So I'm also going to put the number on top of each one. So here is the official data. Can you tell me how many animals I saw in all? That's right, I saw 12 animals in all. Which animal did I see the most of? That's right, fish. I saw 5 fish, which was more than any other animal that I saw. Which animal did I see the least of? Correct, I only saw 1 squirrel and 1 lizard. How many more birds did I see than dogs? So I saw 3 birds and 2 dogs. So whenever I'm comparing and wanting to know how many more birds did I see than dogs, I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I saw 1 more bird than I saw dogs. How many dogs and lizards did I see in all? 3, that's right. So when I say in all, that means you have to add. So you added 2 plus 1, which gave us 3. How many more fish did I see than birds? That's right. So remember, I am comparing, so that means I have to subtract 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Or I can count up from 3 to 5, which would also give me 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of collecting data and making a bar graph. I hope that you guys go on a nature walk sometime today and do the same thing.